Hi, I'm Michael from AES, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your AES GSM Intercom to default settings. Restoring to default settings means that all programmed information on the intercom is deleted, including any dial-out numbers, keypad codes, prox cards and tags, and programming passcodes. Once you confirm it reset to default settings, the intercom will delete all this information and older codes will no longer work. You must be sure that you are willing to lose all information before continuing with this action. You might want to restore to default settings if you have bought a property with an AES intercom already installed. This will secure the intercom, deleting any old passcodes from previous users and further secure your entrance. You can then use the AES Pro app to program your own settings to your liking. You may also want to restore to default settings if you're an installer and have previously used the unit to bench test the intercom. It's very easy using the AES Pro app to restore to default settings. Simply open the Pro app and select your site. Select the intercom that you want to restore to factory settings and delete all information from. From here, you want to tap on Settings. Tap OK in the warning message and scroll to the bottom of the settings page. Here you see in red, Restore Default Settings. Once you tap on this, there's a warning message asking if you want to continue with this action as it cannot be undone. Once you confirm that you want to carry out this action, the app will generate an SMS code. Send this to the intercom and a full restoration of default settings will take place in the intercom. If you have access to the phone number of the intercom, you can also send this SMS string to the unit to restore the default settings and reset the intercom. You can check out all our videos on how to program your intercom using the AES Pro app by subscribing to our channel and searching for your intercom via our playlists. Thanks for watching.